Hi guys, my name is Charbel and I'm from Charbel's Fun World.
And tell us, Charbel, today's episode is about what?
Minions.
Minions. Okay. So
Today I'm having episode 3.
okay, guys. So this is episode 3, and today.
Today there's gonna be 2 episodes.
Okay, Charbel. So tell us with which character you wanna start. Charbel. So tell us about our first character today.
Oh, it's all the same. The rocket boosters with the fire, the ears, the nose, the eyes, the hands, the shirt, the shoes,
And-
everything. The hair, the eyebrows, and the eyes.
And tell us.
Hair.
And tell us, Charbel, what's the name of this character? Okay. And
Oh, remember that his friend is Gru.
and tell us where does this character appear
On the end of the movie.
on the movie. Okay, like you can see, guys, this is made from McDonald's 2019. Okay, so which one is going to be our next character, Charbel?
The minion from the Sibyl Me Too, the purple minion.
The purple one.
Yeah, with the eye brown.
Okay, can you show us this one?
Yeah, and also has a little toy activated. You can play with that party.
Show us. Oh my god, do it again, do it again. Okay, and tell us more about this character.
And it's also purple, and it comes from the movie The Sibyl Me Too.
Wow. And I can see it's a special character. Yes, because you have like some kind of whistle.
Yeah, and let's see in which year it was. In 2014.
In 2013, guys, this one was made. So this is a nice minion, is a special one because
No, it's
so this is a bad minion.
yes, because the enemy of that appears in minions turns them into purple.
Ah, okay. And I guess if I'm not wrong, maybe this is the only minions that has a different color from the yellow usual color, the yellow one.
No, because in the movie there are so many.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Because you thought of that because there was only one purple minion toy.
Exactly. And tell us, Charbel, which one is going to be our third character for today?
The boarding minion, the
Wagon.
minion that becomes like this one after it's born.
Which one is?
This one. That's
This one.
Oh no, I can't make.
Okay, so tell us about this third character, Charbel.
And you know that this minion comes out after the minion's born.
And tell us, Charbel, what colors I can see this minion have a green and yellow.
Seaweed.
Wow.
Seaweed color. Why? But then more ahead they become with this clothes.
Okay, now next you are going to show us this one. So, and I can see this one have just one eye in the middle.
Yeah, and it's like, dinosaurs, run!
Oh no! So,
And then you know that in the first movie of Minions, they killed a dinosaur.
ow, a dinosaur.
Yeah, in the first movie there was a dinosaur.
Okay, Charbel.
And the Minions,
Okay, Charbel, which one is going to be our fourth character for today?
Bob.
Bob. Hi, Bob. Okay, tell us more about Bob, Charbel.
And you know that these characters appear after the Minions get the seaweed out of their eyes and stuff and things, and then this is the clothes they get after.
And he's like,
And then after a few weeks,
and Charbel, this minion, like, he has a golden eyeglasses.
yeah, and look, he has 2 eyes because what?
Show us.
It has 2 eyes.
He has 2 eyes. Yes.
And look, and can also, and if you hit it, it can talk, but now it's too old.
Okay. And which going to be our fifth character
But
for
I
today?
didn't show you.
Okay, so which one is going to be our next character, Charbel?
Kevin on the boat. That actually isn't from McDonald's, but it's from McDonald's.
Okay, I can see this is a special one here. So, Charbel, who do we have here?
Here is Kevin.
Hi.
Again.
Hello, Kevin, again. So,
I just still didn't show you Kevin, so it's not again.
okay, so tell us, we can see this character today is over some
Boat.
big orange boat.
Yeah, and I'm gonna show you and look under, and it can also roll.
It can also,
I'm
wow.
gonna show you. I'm gonna show you.
Show us. Wow.
Cool outfit.
He have a lifeguard
And look
outfit.
here, and look, and accidentally the hand fell out.
Okay.
And this happened, and look, he's like, minions attack!
Okay, so here finishes our 5th character of Minions collection today.
Okay,
And
here, now I'm gonna show you.
who's
this.
coming
Now
next?
look, this minion, I think is Squirt again.
Okay, and
And look, and he has the rocket flame.
he have a rocket flame.
Yeah.
Okay, and so tell us what's the name of this minion, Charbel?
Squirt.
Okay, and do you know the story why he have a flame in his back? Like he have a backpack?
I don't know the story.
Okay, and tell us like about his hair is like he have like some kind of plastic hair here. Okay, and he's kind of laughing, you see, and we can see he have like a blue
And
outfit.
look, and here it has like the G of Gru.
Exactly, this is a G of Gru, and this one is made on the year 2013, guys. Okay, Charbel, so tell us which one is going to be our next character.
Oh, it's gonna be this one.
It's this one. Who? What? It's kind of super tiny minion we have here.
Yeah, it's from the Kinder Surprise.
It's from Kinder Surprise. Okay,
Yeah,
and
I'm gonna show you the.
so tell us, Charbel, what's the name of this mini minion?
I think it's Squirt.
It is scored. It's like he's escaping from the prison.
Yeah, and look, he's like climbing the ladders to escape with shovel.
Oh my God,
He's
Leia.
like in the prison.
I guess it was on the prison and he was trying to escape. And
they also have the shovel on the back.
okay. Okay.
He stole Bruce's sweater from the Sea Me.
So
He stole it.
he stole it.
Yeah.
And who is this character, Charbel?
I think it's Squirt. And look, he has the moon.
Okay.
It's so small. It's
And-
so small.
And it is like his special one, yes?
Yes. He
And
has brown eyes.
and tell us about his outfit.
Because he has Bruce's outfit out of Bruce's gray sweater outfit that appears in the movies of the Sea Me in Netflix or in Quick Recipe.
Okay. And which character do we need to show now next?
Because this one already finished.
Okay.
But nothing happened. We can't let this minion near his little daddy.
Okay.
I want to show the twins minion.
The twins minion now. So show us please now the twin minion.
This is a minion toy.
This is
They're
the
both
minion.
connected. They're connected.
They are connected and I can see like one happy and smiling and the other one is like sad.
And now this one is like a little tired.
Ah, do you think is like he's tired? This
Yeah,
one.
He looks like sit down and he looks like he's going to work to sit down.
and they are like do you think they are the same? They are twin?
No, because this one has one eye and this one has
Yeah, so they are similar with the same outfit, but they have different eyes. Okay, and tell us, Charbel, which is going to be our second and next character to show? Let's put him here.
But Daddy, I'm gonna separate it like this.
Okay, separate them.
Like this, the kids can see them both.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
It's gonna be this one.
Up. Nothing happened. We can put them back again.
Yeah, nothing can happen.
Up.
What's going on?
Okay. Show us now the next minion character.
This one.
Oh my god, I think it's like this one is like
It's like a vampire minion that I think appears in the first movie.
appears in the first movie, the vampire minion. Wow.
A minion.
Wow, bully. I think this one is like a special one. You can see like here he
I
can
think
make.
he's by Vampire Scourge.
Wow, and I guess also this one made by McDonald's in the 2015. And
Yeah, because the first movie was in the year 2015.
yes, and here we can see he have his
Yeah, because I was
purple.
right. It's appeared in the first movie.
Yes, and here we can see like he have his purple outfit, and he has like his special scary teeth, like, and he can even stand up well here. Let's check. Okay,
Yeah, and then
show us the feet.
they're
Oh.
purple because he's a purple vampire.
Is the purple vampire.
Okay, now I'm gonna
Okay, Charbel, tell
now
us
now I'm gonna show you guys a funny one.
the funny one.
I'm gonna show you this robot one. That's funny.
Show us.
Look crazy.
What?
A robot minion.
A robot minion, really? This is the first time I see a robot minion. Tell us more about this character, Charbel.
Because the character is brown.
Yes.
And I think it's Scourge robot.
Wow.
And they also have the feet black. And also have these little hands and also have this.
Yes.
To move it. And here is his eyes. And here, and they also had to attach some screws. And now let's go and see the.
And I can see he have like he can move. Can you show us if you can spin this part? Okay.
See, it doesn't work because it's old.
It's not working. Okay. So tell us, Charbel, please, our next character. Okay, and tell us now which one is going to be our next character.
It's gonna be really funny. It's gonna be an Egypt minion.
What?
Egypt Scourge.
Oh my god. This one is a special one. What's this? Tell us more about this
And
this
then
one,
and
Charbel.
it has golden eye glasses like Bob. Like Bob.
Yes.
And you know that actually I think I have another Bob.
Okay, and tell us more why his outfit is like this, is like white and blue.
I don't know because maybe he in the movie he be like this.
Yes, I
We
think
didn't
you're
know
right.
that.
Yes.
Cause look at the feet, they're yellow.
They are yellow feet, and he have like a white dress, white outfit, and he have golden eye. So I think this one is
a special one.
Is a special one.
Okay,
And
now we're
and
gonna
he's happy.
and now we're gonna see the next.
Before the next minion, Charbel, tell us more about like this minion is a happy minion. Can you see his smile?
Yeah, well, let's see when it was created.
Let's find out. It's for McDonald's.
And the first
2000
movie of Minions.
Yes, in the 2015.
When I was in the stomach.
So let's put here. Oh, and tell us, which one do you think you can show us now, Charbel?
I'm gonna show you
which
this.
one?
I'm gonna show you this minion that got pinched by a crab.
Oh my god. And who is this one today?
I think it's pinched, scored, beach scored pinched.
Okay, and what is this here? What do you have?
A crab.
It's a crab.
Okay, he got a crab.
Oh my god, I guess he got caught by a crab.
And I'm like, crab!
Oh my god.
It looks like it has an orange backpack.
You see? Yes, you're right. He have an orange backpack. It's like a plastic one.
2017.
It's from 2017. Yes. And why? Yes, and tell us why his backpack is like this. It's like it have a moving button
And it doesn't do anything.
it doesn't do anything. It's just a model.
I think they just like to grade it like this.
Yes. So he have two eyes, and he kind of like scary and kind of like afraid and worrying about the crab because I think and he got bitten.
And you can't remove the crab.
The crab bite him in his finger. Yes.
And he can't. And look, and it's in the universe. Made in China.
Okay, so we finished from this one. Can you put it over there, please? And
now I'm gonna show you really another crazy one. This minion that actually can't stand up, that actually has to be upside down.
is the upside down minion.
Crazy?
What? Let's show the guys. Okay, guys. So here we have like some crazy minion.
He like with the eyes broken.
He has like his eyes standing up and upside down, and he can dance, he can move. He's the upside down minion.
And look, he doesn't have any hair.
And he doesn't have any hair.
The head is covered.
And like he's with the special blue outfit, and he's like kind of smiling because he's happy. Yes?
Yeah.
He's happy spinning. Okay, Charbel. So let's show the guys how this minion. Let's show the guys how this minions spins and dance.
Okay. Oh, from the other side.
Okay. Wow! This one even actually spins and dances. It's crazy.
Yeah, cool toy.
You wanna try it one more time?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it one more time.
I'm gonna do so many spins of this.
Okay.
Like this, it goes really fast.
Do it. And show us, please. Okay.
Wait.
Enough. Ooh. Wow, guys. I love this one. And done. Okay. Let's put it up near.
I know, but
You're right, it can't stand up, so you need to put it upside down.
what crazy?
Let's put it there.
Look, you can't even see his eyes.
You're right.
So you have to put it like over here, like this, you can see his eyes.
Perfect. Here we can see him. And tell us, Charbel, which
That would
one
be
is going?
DJ Bob.
D.A. Bob or
Bob.
DJ Bob? Oh my God, it's the DJ Bob. He's a DJ
And
one.
I'm gonna show you what it can do. Look,
What he can do? Show us.
I'm gonna show you. Wait,
This minion had a green.
look, it also has a little red and blue here.
Yes, and he has a green
And
headphones.
It's in the 2017. Daddy.
So he have a green headphones, and I guess he kind of like. Do you think he can dance, or he just
Let's try to make him dance.
Let's try. It just like he can move his feet and arms when you press it, but not too much. It's like
Because now because it was like so many years ago.
yes.
Now it doesn't work so much.
Let's try again.
And this year almost passed.
Yes. And this one is a happy minion. He has the green headphones, his blue outfit, and of course his jumping part.
Yeah, now that was everything for this toy.
And this one also made by McDonald's. Okay, Charbel, put please this one over there and tell us about our one of our last three characters. Yeah.
The pirate.
The pirate. The pirate
Minions attack! Minion pirates! Like minion pirates attack!
Okay, so can you tell us more about this character, Charbel?
Yeah, because you know that he's a pirate.
He's a pirate character?
Yeah, minion.
He's a pirate minion?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And it's in the ear. Let me check the ear.
Check the year, please, and tell us.
Because it's in the ear 2015.
2015.
In the first Minions movie.
And tell us here, what is this part in here?
I think it's a knife.
Is it like a knife or sword he have? Yes.
Yeah, it's a knife.
Okay. And
Hold the knife up.
okay, and tell us more about why he have a black suit, because he's a pirate one.
Yes.
Ah. And
No.
no. And he have his like silver gray eyes.
And he also has a pirate seatbelt, but it doesn't look like painted very well.
You're right.
And he like Timberland. Look, it also looks like he has brackets.
And tell us, Charbel, this is a good minion or it's a bad minion?
It's a good one.
It's a good one. Okay, put it back, please, over there with his collection.
And now we
Okay.
only have two. Now we have two.
We have, guys.
Now we have to play the game of mini mode.
And tell us which one is going to be our
Almost the last one.
the
Almost last
we
one.
still have two minions. Tell
Okay,
us.
we have to choose which one.
Choose.
So we have to choose.
We have those two. And
That's when because we're in a fight.
okay, so here we choose this minion. Charbel, tell us about this minion.
And look at here. Also here has white these little things, and the suit is black.
He's like a soldier.
Yeah, and look, he has this little black thing. It looks like Bob, but it's not Bob.
And why his outfit is like black?
I don't know.
Do you think is a soldier?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think it's a Russian soldier.
Do you think is a Russian soldier? Maybe. Yes. After we are going, tell us, guys. Make a comment and tell us if it's a Russian soldier or we are wrong. Okay, I think this one is nice. He have his golden eyeglasses. His
And also the yellow part sneaks out of it. And look, and also do the same action.
he have a big, large hat. Even do you see?
Yeah.
Okay, so finally we are arriving
To Kevin.
to our last character.
But Daddy,
Oh,
you
no.
won't be able to see the eyes. You won't be able.
Now
See?
we're going. Okay.
I'm
Now,
gonna show you where I play like this. You can see here.
okay. Here we can see it. Okay, and now show us our last character, Charbel, for today's episode.
Here is Kevin.
Kevin is our last character.
But today we're gonna make 2 episodes.
Okay, but tell us now about this. Tell us, please, Charbel, about Kevin. What's the special song of Kevin? Papaya. Okay.
And look, he can move his hand.
He can move his hand. Okay,
And
his arm.
And look, and this one doesn't move so much.
Wow. And this is also made for McDonald's.
2015.
And I guess 17. Yes. This is a cool one. Wow.
Look, he's like a little shadow.
Yes. And here, guys, we finished our Minions collection. I'm going to show you all of them.
Okay, guys. Guys, did you like the video? Cause hit the comment and subscribe to the video. Subscribe to our channel, and also and if you like the video, please hit the like button if you like the video. And bye bye.